guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're going to be making mint chocolate chip ice cream in the Ninja Foodi blender. You guys don't have to have the Ninja Foodi blender. You can make this in any blender. It doesn't have to have the ice cream function. The ice cream function is just a preset function on the blender that will blend a certain way. That matters is that you blend it until all the ingredients are incorporated. The freezer is what does the work. So if you're interested and you want to know how to make mint and chip ice cream in the blender, stay tuned. That's what we're going to do today. If you would like to know where to get any of the items that I use in the video today, like my ice cream scooper or any of those items, check the description box below. I will have the links to everything I used in the video below. Make sure you hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed for more Ninja Foodi blender recipes coming your way on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. Let me know in the comments what you guys think and what your favorite topping is for mint and chip ice cream. But until next time, let's go ahead and just dive right in. Alright, so today what we're going to need is 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. You'll also need a 14-ounce can of La Lechera. This is just sweetened condensed milk. It's a 14-ounce can. You will also need, 4 ounces of chocolate chips. I tried to chop them up and I ended up just making a mess, so I'm just using regular chocolate chips. And it's about half a cup. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon of peppermint extract. And some food coloring. This is green food coloring. It's optional. You don't have to do it. I'm doing it for the green. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going to raise the camera here. Alright, so we're going to start with the heavy whipping cream. Okay. We're going to close it. We're going to do ice cream. Oh, turn it on. Ice cream. Alright. So that was just to thicken up the heavy whipping cream. Now we can add our sweetened condensed milk to the mixture here. And our vanilla. This is optional as well. You don't have to do the vanilla. I just like it for the extra flavor. And the chocolate chips are last. So I'm just going to add, I think about 4 just for right now. 4 drops of food coloring. And this is just a McCormick's. Let's see if I can get it to focus. I'll have the link for it in the description. But let's go ahead and go back to ice cream. Alright. Let's go ahead and take a look. You can see it has that green color. Minty. Smells delicious. I'm actually going to add it to our airtight container and then fold in the chips there. You can do it in the blender, but I'm just going to add it in here. Okay. You know, I started tapping it out and I was getting a picture for the blog where I will have the recipe posted as well. And then I forgot we have to add the chocolate chips. How can we have mint chocolate chip without the chips? Alright, so I'm just using my spatula and folding it in. And it depends on how much you like in terms of chocolate chips, but you can add as much or as little as you want. All right. Now we're gonna go ahead and close our airtight container, and you can freeze overnight and you will have your delicious mint and chip ice cream, which we will take a look once it's frozen, and we'll be back. Alright, so now our ice cream has frozen overnight, and I have my handy dandy ice cream scooper. This is my favorite ice cream scooper. It's the OXO ice cream scooper, but I'm just gonna go ahead and go in there and scoop up our ice cream. We have a beautiful ice cream scoop. Alright, so we're back. I'm just going to go ahead and get another scoop here. Look at how perfect that first scoop is. This is why I love the ice cream scooper. You just run through the ice cream. And once it's full, you can just click it out. Just press the button. Have your ice cream scoop. Alright, almost there. Alright. There we have it, our delicious mint and chip ice cream. We're going to do a taste test right now. Alright, let's do our taste test. Creamy, and I love the chocolate chips. Perfect. Okay, I better stop taking bites, but I know I will after I'm done recording. This is how you would make mint and chip ice cream in the Ninja Foodi blender. You don't need the Ninja Foodi blender to make this. You can make this in any blender. It's just about incorporating all of the ingredients together and freezing them. The freezer is what does most of the work. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. If you aren't already subscribed, again, make sure you subscribe. And if you're interested in any of the items that I use, check the description box below. But until next time, you guys have a great night.